Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 32 to the power of x equals 128, and we want to find the value of x. So our main objective for this equation is to change it into the form a to the power of x equals a to the power of y. So as you can see, the bases here are the same, and because the bases here are the same, that means that the exponents here are the same as well, because that must be true in order for the equation to be true. So what we need to do is we need to change 32 and 128, our bases, so that they're the same. Well, a common base for these two would be 2, right? Because 32 is 2 to the power of 5. And 128 is 2 to the power of 7. And 2 to the power of 5 would be to the power of x, because we're replacing 2 to the power of pi with 32. And this is equal to 2 to the power of 7. Now, when we have something like this, we want to multiply this. If we have this, we multiply the exponent, because 2 to the power of 5 to the power of x, so that's the same thing as 2 to the power of 5 times x. And 5 times x is 2 to the power of 5x. And this equals 2 to the power of 7 still. And now, as you can see, our bases are the same, so that means our exponents are the same as well. So this means that 5x equals 7. Now, if we divide by 5 on both sides, these two cancel out, and we get x equals 7 over 5. And this is our answer. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So I have 25 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x is equal to 20. Now 25, this is the same thing as 5 squared. So now I'm going to replace 25 with 5 squared to the power of x. So now plus 5x is equal to 20. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is the same thing as a to the power of n to the power of m. So 5 to the power of 2 to the power of x, this is the same thing as 5 to the power of x to the power of 2. So now I'm going to let the variable t equal to 5 to the power of x. So now if I replace t with 5 to the power of x, I get t squared plus t is equal to 20. Now I'm going to subtract 20 on both sides. So now I get t squared plus t minus 20 is equal to 0. Now this is a simple quadratic equation, and this will be factored into t plus 5 times t minus 4. And this gives me two equations. I have t plus 5 is equal to 0, and I have t minus 4 is equal to 0. For t plus 5, this means that t is equal to negative 5. And for t minus 4, this means that t is equal to positive 4. So now remember, we set t equal to 5 to the power of x. So let's first try the value t equals negative 5. So if t equals negative 5, then I have negative 5 is equal to 5 to the power of x. And this can actually not be solved. This actually has no solution, because you can't take a power of a number and make it negative. So this is wrong, meaning t equals -5 is wrong. So that means that we are simply left with t equals 4. So now we have 4 is equal to 5 to the power of x. Now I'm going to take the log on both sides, so I have log 4 equals log 5 to the power of x. And then this would get me to log 4 equals x times log 5. Now if I divide both sides by log 5, I get log, I'm going to write this over here, log 4 over log 5 is equal to x. And this is our answer.